Okay. So this is the open circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer. First of all, we have to see OC test. For the OC test, we are using the transformer is 2.5 kVA and the rating input voltage is 115 volts and 220 voltage. Here you can see this is the input voltage 115 and the output voltage is 220 voltage. So now we have to come to the diagram. So this is available, and to give the supply to this transformer, there is a variac is required, single phase variac, because this is a single phase transformer. The single phase variac we can take it from here. The supply can be given phase and neutral to this, phase and neutral to this transformer, to winding transformer, from the single winding transformer to auto transformer. On the single winding transformer or auto transformer, we can connect the supply here. We can give the supply and we can turn on the switch here. And the supply we can get it here. From here the supply we can vary from 0 to 260 voltage, but our requirement as per our transformer rating for OC test 115 voltage is enough. So based on this, here we can vary only up to the voltage is 115. So that voltage we can see here. So according to this circuit, the voltmeter has to be connected across the supply of auto transformer. So these wires, where is, so here it is AC. AC means we can connect either of the terminals, either phase or neutral, or neutral or phase. But as per understanding, we have taken this is the phase, this is the neutral, and across this two wires has been connected. This is the one wire and this is one more wire. Two terminals connected across the supply. So now we can see, after connecting voltmeter, the wattmeter has to be connected in series with this phase line. See, the M has been connected to this supply phase on the variac. So this is the wattmeter. So wattmeter, the terminals are having M, L, common, and voltage. Voltage ranges are different ranges, and current ranges also different ranges. So this wattmeter can works for 2.5 amperes or 5 amperes, and the voltage also this works for 150 voltage and 600 volt, 150, 300 and 600 voltage. Sorry, 50. So based on this, we required only the input voltage. We are giving only 115. So based on this, we are going to connect the voltages. Limitation is up to 150. Here some shortage has been done. If you short B1, B2, the wattmeter can allow only 2.5 amperes. Okay. So now we need to connect the positive terminal to the wattmeter of M terminal. See this. And there is a LC short is there. Here according to the circuit, here the wattmeter connection has been done LC short. Next, the L has been connected to the one of the terminal of ammeter. So this is the L. You have taken LC short, we have done. This is the wire, and L to this. So one of the terminal of ammeter. The ammeter which I have used, that is 0 to 5 amperes. 0 to 5 amperes. Next, the one more terminal of ammeter has been connected to the neutral terminal of another terminal of transformer. Okay, this connection is over. So after that, OC test means high voltage should be opened. This is the high voltage, 220 voltage output of the transformer. This connected, open circuited. So we have not connected any ammeter or voltmeter. So we have connected to measure the output voltage whenever it is open circuited condition. If we give the input voltage 115, how much voltage it has to be shown by this meter. See this, 0 to 300 voltage we have connected, but we required only 220 voltage. That's why the range is selected for this 0 to 300. These two terminals we have used. So now we will see we'll give the supply. Stop it. So now we are going to start our OC test on a single phase transformer. So this variac we have to give supply voltage up to 115. Slowly I can vary this supply. Similarly, the deflection will be happening in these meters also, ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, and output voltage also. Just see, Now I have applied. Whenever I am varying this variac, the voltage is changing, input voltage is changing. See, now it is 40 voltage, but we didn't get any, no, we didn't get any deflection because it is a no load condition. You have not connected any load, that's why it is no load power factor you have to measure. And some voltage we are getting, but current and power is required some more voltage because at no load condition. At no load condition, it is 6% is a full load current only it can. So now I can go up to 115. I can vary this one. Similarly, show those things. I'm varying up to 115 voltage. Okay, so now it is 115. The supply voltage is input voltage is 115. This is the supply voltage 115. It is in between 110 and 120. This is the wattmeter power. So every wattmeter is having some multiplying factor. Here the multiplying factor, this power multiply with some multiplying factor is there. The multiplying factor can be measured by total scale divided by V into I. Yes. And this is the current flowing through input of the transformer, the no load current. It is a no load current. That is why it is small. So whenever if you apply 115, the rated voltage it is near to 220 open circuit voltage.